Hey everyone, welcome to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. I bring you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. Today's workout will be booty and core. The way we are going to do this workout, we will use a hit timer of 40 seconds activity and we rest 20 seconds. If it's your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss out on the future workout program. Let's start let's do hip circles. 30 seconds in one direction and then go in the other direction. 20 seconds in one direction and then 20 seconds in the other direction. We're going to switch. Okay, switch the other direction. I'm so excited for our month of January. Has been so productive and I can't wait to pray to kickstart and give you more information about the next workout program. So tabletop, now we're going to start with kickbacks. Let's go. Keep the leg bent. You see the bend stays there. The movement is coming from the glute. Really squeeze the glute. Right, next one we're going to do fire hydrant, alternate fire hydrant. Let's go in 5 seconds. Alright, let's go. So this works the side of the glutes. Take the leg as high as you can take it. Everybody has different flexibility. Next one, straighten the leg. Then we're doing leg curls. Make sure you're contracting the hamstrings and to keep the leg here, the glute is contracted. Let's go. Let's do 20 seconds one side and then go on the other side. Alright, let's switch. Beautiful. Now let's go on the back. We're going to do glute bridge. So lie flat, bend the knees, and keep your hands facing, palms facing down. Then you squeeze the glute. Here, the hamstring and the glutes are fully contracted. Now we're going to alternate single leg glute bridge. It's the same exercise but a bit more because we're using one side to lift the whole body up until squeezing the glute and the hamstring. Now we're going to attack the core, high plank, core tight, and now we're each time going to bring the leg to the forearm, the knee to the forearm, core tight. Next one, side plank with hip dip. So you start from here, then you go up. The elbow is right below the shoulder. Let's go. If you feel like you don't have a lot of stability, you can separate the legs for better stability. Alright. We're going on the other side. Again, elbow right below the shoulder. Control the descent, and then you're coming up, you explode a little bit. So streamline the shoulder, the hip, and the ankles are aligned. Now we're going to high board, so we stay here, thumbs, fingers, thumbs are facing the knees, fingers are pointing forward, left. And don't tuck the chin in, keep looking up at the ceiling. Wonderful. Final exercise, you come up, it's crunch, each time you switch the side. Let's go. Alright, thank you guys, thank you for choosing to spend your time with me, and Coach Remmy here bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. Do me a favor, type a comment if you've reached the end, and share with 1 or 2 friends. Let's go, see you in the next workout.